Alright, what's up guys? I am very late. We're 5 minutes into market open. The time is 2:35 and the date is Monday, 8th September. I did mark out a couple things. Let's start off with NQ. Let's go on the weekly. Weekly still showing strong bullish momentum after this nice sweep, and continue to looking like it's having a continuation to this buy side liquidity up here. Daily, we created a daily SMT compared to ES, where this swept this low down here whilst ES didn't, and then whilst respecting this daily fair value gap, and looks like we're having a continuation to the upside, targeting this strong liquidity up here. In terms of the 4 hour, we did invest this fair value gap and have a tap back into it, and now we're displacing to the upside, taking out this high, which I'm pretty sure is going to be taken very soon. Respected all these fair value gaps on the way. We still have this fair value gap down here, which we could see a retracement back into. Not doubt it for now. In terms of highs and lows, those London, Asia, and then we mark out these hourly lows. And this is sell side liquidity, and up here is all the way buy side liquidity. And then we have these highs up here, which we could see get targeted today or sometime during this week. Okay, 5 minutes. See, market opened, pumped straight up. Not taking, pre-market took London and Asia highs, and behind London low, Asia low, and these hourly lows down here. We left behind this 5 minute fair value gap, which we could see a retracement back into, but this whole move was NFP. Could be looking to, already filled it fully, but we could be looking to take out that data high. We've got this, is this considered data low? NFP, maybe, yeah. Anyway, that's my bias for today. Strong bullish. Let's see if we create an SMT, because I saw ES was dumping whilst this was pumping. ES. Okay, ES looks like it's going to come take out Asia low. If we do that, then I'll be looking for an entry on ES. Weekly. Let's get to weekly. Weekly. Bullish. And we're just wicking on both ends. I would want to see one of the highs or lows get taken, preferably the high on the weekly. Daily, you can see daily fair value gap being respected. All of this being inverses, showing we're moving to the upside, and possibility of taking this daily high is quite strong. We have inversed this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap on the 4 hour, meaning we could see a move to the upside. Oh yeah, on the daily, we have this SMT, which I was talking about, where NQ took it, but ES failed to take it, meaning, and we're expecting bullish PDRAs. Honestly, I'm bullish. If it's not buyers, I don't want it today. Hourly, we took out Asia and London highs, which I feel like we're going to take Asia low, right? London low, it's meant to be blue for London low. Took Asia high, pre-market, London high during market. When market opened, we took London high. Mark that as a outside high, and then we have this, and we can mark this out as a hourly fair value gap. So the price wants to come into here. That's an hourly FVG, and if we get an SMT in here, where price takes London low, but fails to take Asia low, then that's just going to be more of a confluence for us. We are still within this fair value gap where ES, not NQ, already pushed higher and is currently inversing NFP fair value gap. In terms of highs, we have that high, which honestly is all-time high, and I feel strongly if we do push up, we're definitely going to take it. In terms of lows, I mean, we've got these two down here, but I don't want it to come this low. London, Asia low is at the lowest I'd like to see it. This on our liquidity sweep. We failed to make it, but we could have made a 15-minute or a lower time frame S&T. Let's do this where we get NQ as well. Now I can watch both. NQ is still pumping to that previous daily high. It's ES right here. I want to see sweep London lows, and if it takes these lows, then that's good enough. But if it takes this low as well, this hourly sweep inside this hourly fair value gap, I'm honestly very happy with that. We've got 4 hour, and we've got 4 hour inverse currently. But this needs to push lower. We haven't been used today. I feel like it's no news Monday. That was last week. Okay, no news today and tomorrow, so good to trade. Let's jump onto the 5 minute. 5 minute. Honestly, we might never get a trade today, and I'm okay with that. This kind of closes how it closes in the next 15 minutes, then we'll inverse this fair value gap. I have strong conviction that we'll come down, sweep at least London low, and then get an entry to the upside. It's still only 2:44. We got a lot of time. In terms of EQ, we're definitely in a discount on this year, 100%. And with this, we're definitely in discount over here as well. Yeah, in discount. What we need to see now is a liquidity sweep and an SMT. This needs to come lower. That can stay where it is, and we could get a good day today. On the 5 minute for both, and see how everything plays out. Looks like it's going to come lower. Eventually it will be great for us if it comes lower. That's it. Dump away, dump away, dump away. I mean, it's not an SMT because both of them took the high. I'm gonna go on the high time frame, swept that high, so it's not SMT. Let's get it. It's gonna continue pushing without leaving an entry. So ES is the pair that I'm trying to trade today. I want it to come push so it creates an SMT. And the low was at 110, 120. I mean, still same thing. Once we get that, and then we're gonna be good to trade. For now, this is just chopping. Hopefully we get good price action after it taps in. The reason I'm not trading it on here is because if you look on the, let's go on NQ and look on the daily, where that SMT was, you can see, didn't take the low. On this, if you go on the daily, wrong thing. If you go on the daily on here, what can you see? Price took the low. So yeah. And if I go on NQ on exclamation mark, it has a delay of 10 minutes, which I don't know why. But over here it does show that it swept the low on that daily. Swept the low. So I'm better off. There we go. This is gonna sweep the low. I'm better off just trading straight off the top step. Why? Because it's not delayed and it's the correct price action, I guess. Just to reiterate, I'm down for $924. This I was floating a nice amount, but hit break even, and then this was me technically chasing a trade that, if you saw how it played out, it hit all my take profits. Oh my days. Those are equal lows, ain't it? Yep, made equal lows. We got equal lows down here. I did start using this just to see if those equal lows, and let's jump to the 1 minute. Let's come take out these equal lows, shall we? Ours is still showing bullish momentum. Let's come sweep out these equal lows. If it just pushes high, then I'm going to call it a day. I've even marked out take profits for this. 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Do 50% of that. I guess those are the targets. I mean, it's just straight inefficiency. So I done the open, the 50%, the open of another, and then that all-time high. Jump back on the 5 minute. We're coming back down to that equal lows, and we're going to take it very soon. I might as well start marking out SMT. An SMT we could mark as a just doing it like that. Marking out those. Oh my days, ES is chopping. Chopping like crazy. Now we're gonna get another SMT down here, which I want to see, and then I want to see a nice inverse fair value gap formed on the 5 minute onwards, and look for an entry off of that, targeting those take profits. Oh my days. On the hourly, it was meant to close in the next 15 minutes, and it's gonna close inversing that fair value gap on the hourly. And mark it out. And that's 7 minutes. Shouldn't close below there in the next 7 minutes. So not this candle, the next candle. Come on, ES. Patience is key at the end of the day. I'm not going to start feeling FOMO and just enter, because I know for sure price is going to come lower. 100% take out those equal lows, tap into this 1 hour fair value gap and sweep London lows. 1 hour liquidity sweep, maybe, maybe not. Could get a wick there and out. I don't know, but I guess we shall see. Got this 30-minute fair value gap over here. It's 15-minute fair value gap over there. In terms of the 1 hour, we got nothing. The closest one is the 30-minute fair value gap over here, which I will mark out, and we'll see if we get a tap into there. Let's just get this over and done with, shall we? You know you want to go lower, let's just go lower. Playing too much. Obviously the SMT has not formed yet, but it's going to, and I already know it's going to. I'm going to be take profit 1. I mean, this should have been take profit 1, but the open of the fair value gap's over here, so that's just going to be my take profit 1. Because if we come this close, tapping into that fair value gap is very likely. Five minutes, so it's the next candle, yeah. Come on, man. This is going to take out that high. Is it? That's the high, yeah. It's going to take out that high whilst you're still all the way down here. Let's go take out all of these lows. You've got equal lows down there. Stop playing with me. Equal lows, all that liquidity build up. Let's come down, sweep it, and then look for the entry. The perfect entry. Now we just got to be mindful and see where this candle closes. I mean, on the hourly, right? On the hourly, it's come way too far up. And this is with no news. ES is for sure the lagging pair. Tapped into that, pushed up higher and absolutely ripped. Now just go wait for ES to give us an entry. That was 235. I refuse to believe it. I'm going to say hand weight. Could be creating an SMT where NQ takes that high, but ES doesn't. And ES is playing all the way down here. Expecting the fair value gap creating this massive SMT. But I refuse to believe it. Maybe it wants to close bullish, but the next candle should want to come down back into this here and then push higher out of the yes, for sure, the lagging pair. Well, it's all about waiting for the entry. Whilst that is happening, I'm going to get myself a bottle of water. Give me a second. See, knew I shouldn't have entered. Let's create that SMT that me and you both know you want to create. 1 minute left. Yeah, it's going to invest that hourly. And then the SMT will be from, you can even say from market open. It's going to create a market open SMT. That's one SMT, and it's going to create another SMT where this is going to close like that. And the next one's going to come tap into this hourly fair value gap, which is within here. And then it's going to continue to the upside. As this takes out London low and market open low. I mean, market open low already happened. Already took out market open. Market open low. Enticing early buyers, which I love to see. And this is going to close in another 30 seconds. Let's just cool your horses. This is looking like a really good day for buys. Come on, yes. See how this is looking at hourly. Hourly is straight chop. Chop cheese. There's nothing here that's respecting. Any 4 hour fair value gaps? Nope, straight chop. I mean, we do have this, but it's already been tapped into. 1 hour. There we go. This new hourly is going to come. That's it. Push lower. For a minute. New hourly opened. We're going to get that nice push to the downside. And yeah, see if it respects different things. It's going to come tap into this hourly inverse, which is within here, on that side, but it's within this area. Let's create one SMT and then another SMT. Slowly but surely. Telling me create equal lows and not want to take it. Just give me more of a reason to wait. So for that, I thank you, dog. Trying this fair value gap, which you could invest. I'm going to come and trace off that. Not for now. Still on the 5 minute and see what price has for us. This massive 5 minute fair value gap down here. There we go. There we go. Come on, a bit lower. London low is right there. So I'm going to take London low, dog. Fill this 3 minute fully. This is making its way down to that hourly. Wrong one. This is making its way down to that hourly inverse and this fair value gap, but this over here is the hourly inverse that I want to see it tap into once this takes out London low. Open. Come on, seriously. Let's push lower. Let's come take out London low, shall we? Let's take London low. London low's all the way down there. We made equal lows at London low. No, I don't. That's just this nonsense. Equal higher and equal lows is not really good. That's why I need to get the premium of TradingView, so that's easier to trade. But for now, this is good enough. No delays, nothing. But how do you get it for free if you get it with your prop firm? This is definitely going to go lower, this is definitely going to go lower, so just gotta wait and see. I think it just wanted to fill this, get rid of that fair value gap, and the next one's going to go lower. Or we could even come out, tap into it, push lower, and then after inverse it. Whichever, don't really care. 5 minutes still hasn't closed. Too many came that close to London low and not want to take it. Don't believe you. Just don't believe you. It's entice early buyers. And those all the way down there, Asia lows even further away. There we go. That will get anything on the 5 minute. Doesn't look like we're going to get some sort of 5 minute fair value gap. Well, I mean, we've got this 5 minute fair value gap over here, which we could get a tap into. So mark that one out. Let's get rid of this. Wrong one. 5-9 EPG, and I feel like that would be good enough if we come lower inside this fair value gap and respect it, and then push out of there. 3 minute, no fair value gap 2 minute. Looks like we're coming to respect that 2 minute fair value gap for now. As this looks like it might be continuing higher. Could even enter short there, stops there, target London low 412, but that's going to be stupid because price could just rip up, which looks like it's going to do right now. Ooh, are we going into profit? Are we going to see some profit? And that'll be a quick 1 to 3 right there. Quick 1 to 3. That's like the most stupidest trade to take. I mean, yes, I know price wants to come down lower. I could still inverse it and then come lower. Well, come on. Let's take out that London low. Stop it out. Stop it out. Stop this trade. I don't know why I want to enter this, you know. It's not good. It's not good game. I don't want to see an inverse overhead, to be honest. Don't know why that trade's still there. I don't want to see an inverse here. It's on the 2 minute, on the 5 minute. Still 2 minutes left on that candle. How are we not taking out London low? That's not giving me good. Didn't inverse it. Okay, let's push lower now. I mean, this just needs to close bullish to consider an inverse. So that candle has to close bearish for it to. Looks like another day of where I know where price wants to go. But are we going to get that entry? Hell no. Hell to the no. No way, I just refuse to believe price came that low to London low and not want to take it. The time was London low. This was 1 o'clock. I mean, I think London low ends at 1. So, this trade, I might be wrong here, and then this is London low. Price already took London low. And we create an SMT over here where price took out these equal lows. Price took these equal lows, and the 15 minute it was the 2:30 and then 3 o'clock. 2:30 and 3 o'clock. On the 5 minute. We tapped into an hourly on the 2 minute. We haven't inversed it fully, so I might have been wrong with it. Ideally, I wanted to tap back all the way down here. Let's entice these early buyers. I want to see an SMT of this low though. That low would give me more satisfaction in the trade. Not satisfaction, but more conviction in the trade. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. That's the 1 to 3 already. One to 7. Come on now. Let's push lower to these lows down here so we can create an SMT of this. That's what honestly I want to see. One minute respect to this fair value gap. Create equal lows. Is that dead on equal lows though? Yeah, those are equal lows. Let's just push lower already. I still want to see an SMT of this low. That's what I want to see. It's a good thing I never entered. Patience pays at the end of the day. Patience pays. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, I'm not entering unless this low gets taken. If that low doesn't get taken, then I don't want to trade today. That low is that low. I want to see an SMT create off of that. If I don't get that, then I don't want to trade today. I'm cool with it. It's just going to be another day, another bias, just no entry. I know some people that waited for that inverse and then they longed off that, stops maybe down here, and then targeting draws on liquidity, so that'll be like another one up there, for like a 1 to 2. Come on. Let's just dump already, take out that low, and we call it a day. Bish, bash, bosh. I was expecting more of a oomph with that hourly candle. What it done is came lower. I wanted to sweep out this low. Take out that low, gang. Just expected that 30 minute. 30 minute already got tap in. This is where the unprofitability kicks in, where you just can't be asked to wait and rather see a win or loss already, so you just enter a trade. But no, told you if I don't see this low get taken, this hourly low over here get taken, I ain't trading today, and I'm off. You could see price come all the way down here and take out this low as well. It's like equal lows down here. Jump on the 5 minute and see these lows. These are dead equal lows, like back to back to back. That could be a strong liquidity. Let's check on the low. I'll get rid of these equal lows. Actually, I'll keep it. Why not? That helps me, but I'm going to take a picture later for my trade day recap and trade journal. I'll be able to see what else I saw in that trade. Not for now. Pushing lower, slowly but surely. Technically, we just came and filled that fair value gap to the top. Never inversed it. And we push lower, which is beautiful. Let's go. This is going to push lower, this is going to push into that IFEG down here. Slowly but surely. get it on ES because that's what I'm trading. I don't know why I didn't do this the whole time. Just do this whilst. So I'm looking for my trade, I can just open it like this. And then when I enter, I need to do enter. And then straight back here. There we go. He has finally moving to where it needs to be. Step into that 5-minute fair value gap for me, shall we? Could even wick lower to those equal lows. If you take out those equal lows, oh my days, this buy is going to be beautiful. Would have been worth the wait. Let's got this 15-minute fair value gap over here on NQ. Got that 15-minute FEG on NQ. Let's create another dead equal lows. If it doesn't take it now, then it's going to be equal lows. Just keep creating equal lows. It's got 1 minute to get rid of those equal lows. Otherwise, it's just another draw on liquidity for me. I mean, I'm ready to delete it. Let's break. Let's disrespect it. There we go. Made equal lows of London lows. Are we serious? There we go. Did it? I thought I swept it. Oh my, there we go, swept it. That's within the 1 hour FEG, tapping into that 15-minute fair value gap as well. I don't know. Let's see. 3 minute. Got this 3-minute fair value gap over here. Some more 4 minutes, so 3-minute fair value gap is the only one that we could look for an inverse on. The reason I'm calling a 3-minute IFEG already, why? Is because just like that, create an SMT, and that low right there. Could come further. Oh, we're creating a 5-minute. This candle just needs to close up there, and it's gonna be good. Got another 3-minute over here. 2-minute, 1 minute. Oh, let's go 4 minutes. I doubt it's gonna do. It's just gonna hold. I'm just gonna have to see. Equal lows, London lows. Tapped into a family fair value gap, respecting it for now. I could even drop down to the 1 minute and look for some type of entry of this. But I wanna see price invest this 3-minute fair value gap over here. And then I'll look for my entry on the 1 minute after we disrespect it. Then we've got all of these targets up here. That'll be my first TP, TP2, and then I'll leave runners for the rest of the day. If I take out this low, then I'll be more happy. Can we go even more high time frame? SMT, where this takes out that low and this doesn't take out the low, because this is all the way down there. Into 3 contracts there, stops at London low, targeting whatever, just to that higher than 1 to 2. I mean, it's free money, I know it's going up there, but do I really want 3-minute IFVG? Let's close another 1 minute, so we'll see how that closes. Closes nicely. I'll be happy to enter. If I put my entry there, stops at that candle low. Targeting those. I mean, yeah, I don't want that. I want to stick to my usual 1 minute entries. Five-minute. That's still a 5-minute fair value gap, isn't it? Yeah, it's a 5-minute fair value gap, which I can see how it closes another 1 minute 20. Yeah, already got disrespect. And let's see the 3-minute. This closes in 6 seconds. See how it closes. Yeah, respected it. The 5-minute. I mean, it's still 5-minute. 5-minute one still holding. Got that 5-minute IFPG. Now all we need. Another 5-minute IFPG on NQ. Yeah. What the hell? Now we just gotta wait 5 minutes and see how the candle closes. Already pushing up into it. Coming away from a 5-minute fair value gap, hourly fair value gap, SMT liquidity sweep. We're gonna inverse this. Same over here. It's just getting stronger and stronger, honestly, my eyes. 1 minute. Back out. There. EQ. Just gotta see how that candle, 5-minute candle closes in the next 5 minutes. Once I see a candle worth entering off of, and off there, stops will be there. Okay, this is a bearish reward that I can get behind of. Yeah. Let's see, 1 hour. And then 1 hour equally. equilibrium. That's the low, the high, 50%. I'm expecting that 1 hour equilibrium sweep, 1 hour FEG. Now let's push up out of there. Go to this and Norway in 1 hour EQ. 1 minute. So I'm going to kind of close another 2 minutes. Could just keep ripping to the upside. I could have entered off that. Inverse, stops over there. And then target wherever I needed to target. Just that high as I want to 3. And because we got this 5 minute fair value gap and IFEG, I want to see a retracement back into here. It's got 1 minute left. So not this candle, the next candle. See how this candle closes. Could even just push up and take that high out. Another day, another entry for me. It's looking like another no entry, correct buys, no entry type of day. My favorite type of days, all my days. It's like, can't get any better than a no entry type of day. Okay, 6 seconds. 2, 1, there we go. Jump from 1 minute. Let's see our retracement back down. And we got this 1 hour, 1 minute fair value gap down here. Price is looking like it just might continue ripping to the upside without no regard in looking to give me an entry. Oh, it's just getting too frustrating at this point. Come on, are you being serious? It actually just gets to a point at the end of the day. 1 hour. I mean, the move is just getting started. We have all of this to take. Are we just being serious? It actually gets to a point. I mean, I'm getting everything right, but it's just giving me no entries at the end of the day. So much fun. Yay. Maybe I should have just entered off this. Off that. Stops over there. Targeting wherever. What do you mean at TP1 right now? Or, I mean, close to hitting it. come so high up? Johnson was taking that high. 10 out of 10. It's never 9 times out of 10, it's 10 times out of 10 we're taking that higher before moving lower. Unless we make a beautiful equal high, that will make my day. Let's make equal highs, my friend. Come on, don't sweep that high. Don't sweep it. Hold it down for a minute. What you gotta do is hold it down for a minute. We got this. Yeah, I guess I'm getting no entry today. Yay, how fun. I'm getting no entries. I'm having so much fun. No entries. Yay. So we look at the wrong time frame. I mean, it's not SMT, both of them took the high. If we come all the way lower and wick this whole fair value gap, and I'm gonna have a good day. Bye. Honestly, take me back to last month. Last month was giving me my entries that I needed. Let's go back to that 5-minute IFAG down here. It'll be now in 2 minutes for that 1 to 2. Oh, my days. Let's go 1 minute left. It's going to be another day of me trying to look for entries, but we're going to get one. And the entry I do take is probably a losing one, which is just so great. So great. Coming from a 5-minute fair value gap, considering this a breaker structure, okay, this could make its way back to this IFAG. This is not impossible. 1 hour. Smart. Naz is looking like it has more of a chance of tapping back in before pushing higher and taking out this high. Let's make our way to EQ for me, shall we? One, two is got these 1 minute fair value gaps over here. And see some type of 1 minute reversal happening from here for me to enter off of. Till we get that, I guess I've missed the move. Price is just gonna keep moving without me, which is just great. So much fun. guess I'm going with a no entry today. So annoying because when I get funded, it's just giving me 0 entries. And I'm not taking this trade after this inverse and then putting my stops all the way down here for my TP1 to be negative RR. And then TP1 1.5. That's just crazy. Patient all this time just to see price push up without me. Oh, great success. No 1 minute, no entry. Are you being serious? This is just so much fun. Oh my days. Couldn't ask for more fun, literally. There goes my TP1. Guess that'll be TP1 now. So much fun. Seeing price rip up in the direction intended, but guess who's not in the trade? This guy. Okay, regret not taking this trade. Would be up 2.6% right now, or 2.6R. I've already taken a 1 position, break even. If it takes this high and not give me an entry, then I'm off and I'm gonna lose my mind. In terms of targets, still got that 50% of this range. Nah, and up there. Valid targets. We're gonna get a valid entry though. Doubt it. Just waiting for price to rip up, take that high. If it takes that high, I'm gone. I'm not gonna sit here and watch my bias play out for the 5th time since last week. Is that considered a break of structure? I mean, on the hourly, currently breaking structure to the upside. I mean, did break structure there, 30 minute. Sweet break structure. Let's see a reverse back into there. No, please. Let's not go any higher. I don't need to go any higher. We're good enough over here. Let's guess what? Price does what it wants and price is gonna rip. great trading day, isn't it, guys? And I'll probably go on TikTok and see so many people be like, oh my days, if you did not catch that easy setup long. And then, yeah. It's got me losing my mind, dog. Trading got me losing my mind, dog. Hopefully when the next candle closes, it pushes lower back into here. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to wait for the next 16 minutes, see how that next candle operates. And if it's straight nonsense, then straight nonsense. And this already broke structure to the upside. What the hell was this target? It was a 30-minute target. I don't know what this was targeting. It's on that 30-minute inverse. So 30-minute inverse will be my TP1. Was there 15-minute inverse? 50% of this trade, fair value gap, I think. Good at that success. Minutes. Guess what price is? Price is still ripping. It's like, are you being serious? At this point, let's discard the fair value gap is going to get. I mean, it's still going to be in discount, but how many more times do I have to adjust EQ for it to finally come down lower and give me my entry? It's 3:46. We're not halfway through trading time. Got like another hour and still pushing higher, which is just great. Very great, honestly. Give me another wrist reward. This is just so much fun watching price do what I anticipated once again. I guess I have to adjust EQ again. 12 minutes. textbook trade. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. After sweeping out these lows, tapping into a high time frame POI. I mean, this is a 5 minute POI, but overall, this is an hourly fair value gap. It's just so simple, but price is not wanting to give me an entry. What do they want me to do? Pre-fire the entry. I'm looking over here on the 1 minute. Let's see if we look on the 30 second. What do we get on the 30 second? Got a fair value gap. That was unrespected. No IFG on this whole build up. What did we get? Nothing. Got equal highs. It wasn't a break of structure. Absolutely nothing once again. How fun. I'm starting to hear what people say about No News Monday. But at the same time, I back tested Mondays. And they're good for me, but not when the whole month so far hasn't given me my entry. Correct buyers, no entry. I'm honestly getting sick of it. The only POI for it to come down to is this 5 minute fair value gap. So can we see a move down? 9 minutes. I might hold strong for that 9 minutes and then push higher. Oh my days, look how close we are to that first take profit. Well, technically that's our second take profit right now. No black candles until the way up there. This might be my first black candle. Could be. I mean, we've got this 5 minute order block over here. I'd rather use this 5 minute order block. It's the whole discount. Order block. Having an order block with a 5 minute fair value gap, that's a strong draw. Are we being serious? Are we not going to give me that entry? I'm going to mark that fair value gap for now. If we get a better entry on NQ, I might take it. Because NQ, all we're going to be targeting is... Oh, NQ could be targeting all-time highs. Like pushing a lot higher. So we got a nice entry on NQ, TP1, runners. Yeah. 7 minutes. So not this candle, it's the next candle. That's exactly what happened on, I think, Thursday, or whatever day I took that trade, where I was waiting for the next hourly candle to create its bottom wick, tapping into and sweeping what it needed to tap and sweep, and then it just pumped and never stopped pumping, which is just so much fun, isn't it? Can't get enough of the fun. So much fun. start trading. They said it'll be so much fun and you'll make so much money. Oh my days. The majority of the time you're here just waiting for price action to give you something. I was surprised if you don't get a black hand on this. And I'll make our way down to EQ on this. This is the leading pair. We have this 5 minute. The value gap. Then EQ. There's no way I was going to take this trade right here. I already tapped into a 5 minute POI, strong bullish close, and then my stops at the low. It's just crazy. Risk to reward is just terrible. It's not even a 2R. That hand. Next candle and the next candle. I mean, the next candle over here can close bullish, but the candle after it, I want to see some type of retracement starting to happen. If not, I'm gone. Ooh, guess what? I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to adjust my EQ even higher, because if we get a tap in over here, we could create an SMT. No, that would be an SMT, but for now we got this SMT. That type of day. Got this fair value gap. Going to create an SMT of these lows where this taps in and this doesn't, and I'll enter thank you. Because one thing I realized from my last trading session is they both don't have to tap into the fair value gap. If NQ taps into this fair value gap but ES doesn't, then it's good enough to push higher and the targets that it needs to hit. So, see what ES has to offer. If you tap into her, I mean, I was correct in saying if I entered there, stops here, targeting whatever up here, not TP1 over here, that's a 1 to 4. We've been straight into profit already. I was right. Well, right doesn't pay. I mean, it does, but over here clearly it doesn't. Looks like both of them are not going to tap into it. ES is going to push even higher to those highs. That's NQ. Oh, come on, let's create an SMT here. If you create an SMT here, I'll enter. This just hurts. Hurts to see. Correct with the bias. No entry. Now this is showing, I guess, the leading out of the two. Can we take out the low so that I can take out the high? At the same time, this already inverts this fair value gap, but this is making its way to inverse it. Oh my days. I'm losing my mind. Hopefully the next candle that opens is the one that comes lower into here for both of them. If we get it in ES, then I'll take ES. But if we get early on NQ, then I'm taking on NQ. How long until that candle closes? 1 minute 42 seconds. So it's the next one, the next family candle. Come on, let's see what you got for me. Let's see, 1 minute 20. On the hourly on this, it's going to be a breaker, considered an hourly breaker structure. Oh, and keep moving its way down, slowly but surely. That's it. Let's make our way down. "24 seconds. Ideally, I want to tap into that 5-minute IFVG if we get that. 1 second, 1 minute. High, low, high, high. I made a 1 minute SMT, 2 minute SMT as well. High, low, high, high. Let's create a bearish SMT. High time frame is showing bullishness though, so I'm gonna hold. What was it? This made a high low. This made a high high. Slowly but surely. Okay, high highs, high lows. Now we just gotta catch the next low so we can move up to the next high. You get me? Three, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 was the low. If I really wanted to, hear me out. That's if I really wanted to. Quick 1.50, hear me out. Hey, if I really wanted to, hear me out. That's a quick 5R into this order block, quick 7R. Hear me out. Price action don't want to give me my entry. I'll make my own entry. Let's got this hourly fair value up all the way down there. This, it's already tapped into the hourly fair value gap. Let's create an hourly fair value gap. So you can even see I move all the way down. We've got that alley breaker structure. 1 minute. 1 minute. That trade still would have been valid for that quick 1.5. Gonna target the IFEG for a quick 2.5. Extra 1R. You hear me? You get Korean S&T. On the Korean S&T on the say 15 minute. 15 minute. Where the 230 makes a low high, low, low. That's what I want to aim toward. We've got one S&T, second S&T, and this is the lagging pair, so bench. Come on. There we go. That's another S&T. Another here. Go and give you another S&T to wherever that low is. Let's just get to it already. Come on, man. It's 4 o'clock. Got an hour until I call it a day. Been here for an hour and a half already. These lows over here, I want to see them get taken if we want to continue higher. That trade is still valid. You guys hear me out. Buy my course. Buy my course. I'm telling you, you can make serious money. Buy my course. Buy my course, my friend. My friend, buy my course. It's choppy, but it's going to hit, my friend. Buy my course. Link in the description. 10,000 to learn my strategy. Oh my days. Oh my gosh, bro. And that's why we didn't enter this trade, guys. And you can know my knowledge for £10,000. Just by the link in the description. Oh my days, trading's changed me, man. I'm losing my head. I'm losing my mind. Finished, lads. So much fun. Yay. So much fun. Yay. We're having a great time. Super great time. Yay. This price action is good, but it's terrible at the same time. I'm getting no entries. Maybe I should just start pre-firing it off of. Let's see. Oh, I should start pre-firing it off of. Let's look at NQ. Came back into that 15-minute fair value gap. Invest this 5 minute. That's 1 minute fair value gap over here. Invest that 1 minute, or do we have a 2 minute one? Yes, we had a 2 minute fair value to a 3. No, we had earlier. Yes, we had a 3 minute fair value gap over here that got reversed. So if I longed off of that, stops there, and then target to take that high, that's a 1 to 1.7, and then that's a 1 to 3 to my first take profit. Maybe I should just start pre-firing stuff. So I'm over here losing my mind. Pre-firing it might be an option. I mean, that's a 1 to 6 double. That's a 1 to 8. Final take profit. That's a 1 to 11. We're making our way back down to my intended area now. 330. 330 is all the way down here. So that'll be a nice SMT. Maybe even a 30 minute SMT. 30 minute SMT. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. That's it. Make your way down. Slowly but surely. We gonna get the entry. One way or another. I'm gonna get the entry. This low needs to get taken ASAP. I'm losing my mind. Let's get that liquidity sweep. I mean, technically I already set all of that. But guess what? I mean, now I care. All I want is an entry. Right there. There's my entry, lads. Sell, 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 sell. That's the entry. Top ticket. Top ticket, lads. Put our stops over there. Top ticket, lads. Top ticket. There's TP1, lads. Top tick. Top tick. Buy my calls. Buy my calls. There's no way I actually just top tick that. I'm accidentally out here top ticking trades. Off this 2 minute IFVG, top ticks. Jump on the 1 minute. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Is that actually top tick a trade? Is that me? Did I just top tick a trade? I mean, I could have targeted that low if I went to 3. But I want that big boy risk to reward. Let's go. Let's contain yourself. 1 to 5 is good enough. There's no way I should top tick a trade. This could come back to EQ. Oh my days. Actually top ticker trade. 4-day profit. Very soon, lads. Okay, now we can start looking for possible entries. So 1 minute fair value up all the way up here. 3 minute fair value up over there. 1 second. Order field. See that? I'm just like that. Okay, we got an SMT. We got our SMT. We got SMT on the Un Momento. Now let's invest this 1 minute fair value gap. This is a 5 minute fair value gap inside. I want us to invest this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm going lower, so we're going all the way down to that IFEG. Don't forget, my top take this trade. Buy my calls. Buy my calls. So that 5 minute fair value gap could go tap into this 5 minute IFEG. But honestly, it's hourly. I want to tap into that hourly. We've got an hourly fair value gap formed over here now. So we don't really need to go lower, if you get what I mean. 1 minute. If we invest this 1 minute, I'll take the trade. Let's change this to NQ, 3 contracts. Okay, I can get ready to long. All of these targets break even at this high over here. Let's go. Slowly but surely, slowly but surely, slowly but surely. What we gotta do is reverse this fair value gap. We tapped into EQ nicely. We tapped into EQ nicely. What time was it? 33. 33, okay. There we go. Tapped into EQ. We didn't tap into EQ on that. We can move this to the 5 minute. And then just watch it. Minute, swept all these 15-minute lows. Now I want to see a wick out of there in the next couple of minutes. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. Let's get to it then. So it's playing right now. Consider that a low-key break structure. I want to see price inverse this. Once it inverses it, I'm going to be in the trade. One price to close above here. That's all I want to see. So we get that. Long John out of here. Not this candle, hopefully the next. Not high is a strong liquidity, thank you. So chances of us taking it is pretty high. 2 o'clock high. Hourly. The 2 o'clock high, yeah. I'm gonna get a 1 minute break of structure off that. Channel C, E. I'm gonna break a structure. Come on, close above it. Don't be all respecting it now. I haven't closed above it. I mean, technically you've got a 30-second break of structure. But I want to see how I'm gonna break a structure and invest in this. There we go. Next candle might be my entry. What time is it? It's 4:26. It's quite late to be taking a trade. But once the setup is too clean, can't say no, can we? Wicked it. Now close here, and I'm in. 2 minutes. Got this fair value gap up here. 3 minute. Got this massive fair value gap in the 3 minute, 5 minute. That's the way I'm inversing it, but this is going to be good enough for me. Ten seconds, and we are out of there. That's currently inversing as well. 3, 2, 1. I'm in. For 3 contracts. Stop loss at that low. One second. Where my TP's at. Break evens up here. Let's put this there. Stops there. TP1 is up here. Well, that's break even. TP1's up here. So that. Full page. Gotta get rid of that. Stop loss. Okay, we're in. Final take profit will be on the hourly. Let's move that there. Jump on the hourly. TP1 is over here. How much will be our TP1? 2k for TP1. Let's go. So final take profit up here. Undo. Final take profit right there. 1 minute. There we go. Pushing higher. Soon gonna break even. 5 minute. This kind of needs to close above here on the 5 minute. 3 minute. So 3 minute fair value gap. I want price to close above here. Price goes above there. I'm honest. I mean, we've already invest this and tap back into it. I could go break even on the 3 once this 3 minute closes above here. Once our 3 minute close is above there, I can go break even. Slow and steady. This is strong price action. 45 seconds and I can go break even. I might even reach up here to go break even. Patience. Hopefully we just flow in profits and then come back down to break even. Slow and steady, my friend. Patience pays, I guess. I'm good to go break even. Let me figure out where my targets are now that I'm break even. Now that I'm break even, let's figure out the targets on target. So TP1. Sell on contract there. Second. That's previous daily high as well. Yeah, on contract there. Let's try to recruit the losses I was taking. I mean, there's another good target for TP2, and then we'll leave runners. Let's not get greedy. So another limit there, and we'll leave runners for those highs up there. 1 minute. Reset. There we go. I'm at break even already, so you can get rid of that and that. That's my TP1 for 1 to 5. I'm going to be targeting up here and then leave runners later. So 1 to 14. Catching a high time frame move on the lower time frame entry. Let's go. Risk off already, that was quick. Straight into profit. I feel like once we break past this high, we're going to be pushing even faster and higher. I mean, on the high time frame, this was the bullish S&T. So TP1 is definitely going to get hit. 110% TP1 is going to get hit. Let's just see where the rest of these TPs are. And I don't know if I should move my TP to this high. No, this is a good high. I'm going to stay where we are. Get rid of that. This is like a plus setup right here. I'll take this trade setup over and over again. What we're going to see is a break past just need to break past here, and this needs to break past here, and we're gonna be so good in profit. Which is my stop loss if it's down here. So 1% stop loss. So it's such a shame that I can only risk 400. Second. Don't know how it's price doing. Right, it's come back down to this fair value gap over here. See how we're expecting to get out there. Seven, 6, nice. That's a nice respect. Come on, man. Let's get out of here now. I want to see these highs get taken. What the hell, I forgot to move my stop loss. I could have ended badly. Ooh, I'm gonna move my stops here for now because we've got this massive 5-minute fair value gap, which I do anticipate tapping, and my break-even point is at the 50% of it. So if we push up higher here without tapping into here, then I'll just move my stops back to break even. I mean, I am still risking my usual 1%, so I guess we'll see. Being serious. A massive 15-minute wick. We are inside that 5-minute fair value gap. Now that we're inside, can we push out of there? And we'll see how this candle closes. If this candle closes bullish, I'm going to pull my stops even to this high, because we have tapped into that 5-minute fair value gap. Still respecting that 1 minute as well. Two minutes. Let's get it. ES has all these equal highs up here. I'm not worried. I know price wants to go higher. Maybe it wants to come a bit deeper in, but could be creating an SMT with these lows. I'm not worried at all. I know ES wants to push higher. NQ wants to push higher. We're so close to these high time frame highs. Chances of us taking it is high. Just gotta see how this candle closes, and we'll see how the next candle closes as well. In terms of the 1 minute, we did disrespect that 1 minute fair value gap, so we can get rid of it. 2 minutes, we got 2 minute fair value gap at entry, which price can come down to. 3 minute, we are respecting a 3 minute as well. So yeah, let's mark out that 2 minute, first 2 minute one. 5 minute, okay, let's get it. Let's get it on. What time is it? 4:39. This is a long trading session, but hopefully it'll be worth it. I do want it to close bullish. That's it, close bullish. Close blue. Close bullish. I'll take it. Minutes, just a massive wick out of that 15-minute fair value gap. Now, let's see you start delivering to the upside. I'm bullish on the higher time frame, let's start pushing higher. Might be coming into that 2-minute fair value gap. Cheeky little tap in and then push out of there. There we go, you go your tap. Now let's get out. Alright, tapped into all lower time frame fair value gaps. I mean, we've got this one all the way down here, but I don't think we're going to get that tap. I wouldn't want us to get that tap. 3-minute, we've been closing bullish in the 3-minute fair value gap. We do have this 3-minute IFEG and FEG down here, but I don't want to see a tap into that. 5-minute, we have this massive 5-minute fair value gap, which we're currently second. Tapped into EQ of this range as well. Tapped into EQ. Let's keep getting it. That's it. That's what I like to see. Keep moving out of the 2-minute. Tapped in. Let's keep pumping to the upside. Hopefully we get a good trade going today. Tap and wick. Not closing inside even. And I'm going to turn the 2-minute time frame. It's a 5-minute candle. Closes in 3 minutes. So you can see how that closes. I have highest conviction in this trade. Just going to have to sit and be patient. See how this candle closes in 45 seconds. It's a 2-minute fair value gap. Let's close bullish. Come on. And let's go those equal lows down here. And that's not good, but that's not terrible. Now I want to see a break of structure to the upside. 5-minute candle closes in 1 minute. I want to see if this candle respects it or... I mean, the 5-minute fair value gap's all the way down there, but I wanted to close out of it. The next 30 seconds, could we do that? We've got these equal lows over here on ES. Price will probably want to take these equal lows out. "14 seconds, 12, come on, you can do it. Push up higher. Okay, that took that low. There's no way. Prices wanted to come take this low out as well. Come on, let's create. How's that? 420. Is that 420? Yeah, 420. 5-minute. 420. 420. Let's create an SMT with these lows. Come on now. We've invest that. 5-minute candle. Get rid of that. There's just no way. There's no way. I'm down another 1%. I should just take my loss, shouldn't I? I have high conviction in the trade. Come on, push higher. Push higher, come on. Tap in and push higher. Come on. Tap in and push higher. Don't fall any lower. Okay, come on, push higher now. Come on, push higher. Push higher. I can't blow these accounts. Push higher. Come on, push higher. I should have taken my break even when I had my chance. 1 hour. Could be making our way down to that 1 hour fair value gap. Come on. I might have messed myself up here. I don't know why I got rid of that stop loss. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I've cooked myself. I've actually cooked myself. I've cooked myself. I've blown the accounts. The accounts are blown. The accounts are blown. Come on, push higher. Come on, come on, come on. Push back up to 1K and I'll close. There's just no way. I go from risking 400 to almost blowing the account. Come on, there's equal highs up here. How you not wanted to take it? we go bounce back this low, I'm cooked. I need to see this invest, honestly. So I need to see invest. Oh, this, I'm sweating. I think I'm done for. Let's get out of it now. Come on. Come on. Yep, inverse it. Nice. I mean, technically, didn't really inverse it fully. Let's start making our way back up. Oh my days. Almost cooked all the accounts. I mean, I still could. I should just take my $700 loss. I still have 1.3 to use later. There's just no way price doesn't want to come take out these eco loads. Once it takes those eco loads out, highs out, then, I mean, if it took out those eco highs, then I would have been like, yeah, it's low key over for me. That's it, keep pumping. 9 seconds to invest this fair value gap as well. Kind of respecting it. For my stops, how much am I risking? 800. Yeah, I'll take my 800 and call it a day if price does take out that low. Stepped into that 5-minute order block. Come on, let's get that strong bullish close out there. If not, I'm just going to take that $800 loss. Still got this fair value gap over here, respecting that 1 minute. Come on, we need to disrespect. What's happening with the 1 minute over here on ES? ES currently respecting a 1 minute fair value gap as well. Anything on the 2 minute? 2 minute, we're going to invest soon. 3 minute, 5 minute. I want us to invest on the 3 minute. I want price to close up here. Hold it down on the 3 minute, and I'll put my stop loss on EQ. Come on, 20 seconds. $15 seconds, you got this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, invested, beautiful. 1 minute, we we are going to inverse it with this next candle. Take profits are still the same. Still RR on the trade. If I took it to that high, if I was targeting my usual 1 to 3, targeting my usual 1 to 3, I would have been out of the trade and good. Maybe I should start going back to my 1 to 3. None of this greedy business. Jump back on the 5 minute over here. EQ and 5 minute order block. Now we can strongly target those highs. Let's go to those highs. It's another 5 minutes until 5 o'clock. Got a nice sweep of these lows. Liquidity sweep, tapped into that 5 minute IFEG. Just made this trade a lot stronger for me. Want to reach up there, break even no matter what. Obviously, I'm going to have to punish myself for breaking my rules, but I wasn't going to let another day like Thursday happen where I knew the bias strongly. It hit all my take profits, but I didn't profit on any of it, but I ended up losing. And that was a painful day, but we live and we learn. No risk, no Ferrari. I mean, I'm happy we're back into profit. Just wait until we hit that break-even point. Once we hit that break-even, no matter what. Price ended up coming all the way down here to 1.9, almost 2% basically. Price comes lower than this, then straight GG's. I'm basically doing a 1 to 3 to my second take profit. That's it. These are targeting those eco highs strongly. All of these draws on liquidity. Looks like we might have a profitable day on our hands. Oh yeah, I forgot. They close the trades automatically at a certain time. I mean, yeah, this is my P&L so far. Two trades. One, break even one, lost another. Hourly, create this hourly, lower wick. US, same thing. This is definitely going to take this high out. It's just about time. Soon gonna be in profit, and I'm still down 200. Once we hit 1%, I'll be out of drawdown and back at break even on the account. Anything after that, profit. This is playing games. Doesn't want to invest this 5 minute. I think once we invest it, it's just gonna shoot up and take out those highs. I know for sure we're bullish, but the question is, am I gonna be taking out the trade before we take out those highs? And I honestly think that that's not gonna happen. Price could come back into this fair value gap and then push higher, or even this fair value gap and then push higher. But for now, I'm gonna leave my stops there. Price is honestly playing games. You have such strong draws and liquidity above you, but no, you want to start playing games. Oh, this is creating the bottom wick on the new hourly candle. Okay, creating the bottom wick on the new hourly candle. Now, can we push higher? Create the bottom wick on the candle, and then, yeah. It's respecting this fair value gap, which is great. It's 30-minute fair value gap. Let's have the 30-minute fair value gap all the way down here, which I do not want to see it come tap into. Oh my days. This is not looking too good. That's a 2-minute fair value gap. What's happening on the 5-minute? 5-minute nothing, 3-minute. Got 3-minute fair value gap and inverse fair value gap being respected for now. Let's just push higher. Come on, man. We're playing too much. I'm happy with it creating this bottom wick, but seriously. Here's expense. Sweep. Draw liquidity now. Sweep. Draw liquidity. Let's go. Been here for 2.5 hours. Come on, yes. Push higher. Invest this 5-minute. I doubt invest on that candle. being serious right now. We both know what the true liquidity is. So why are we taking this long to get to it? Tap into here and push higher, or just push higher. Come on, one of the two. Tap into a 2-minute fair value gap here. I honestly think my account's gone today. Okay, we're in the 2 minute. Now let's push out there. Let's push out of there. Let's push out of there. I don't know why I'm going for these high RRs. My 1 to 3 played out beautifully. I could have capitalized on that 1 to 3 right here. Where was my entry? 1 minute. Entered right there. My stops was there. Target that high. That's my 1 to 3 done. And I call it a day. Why the hell was I still looking for trades? Oh my days. Greed really showed me today, man. Greed blew my accounts, and I have no one to blame but myself. Greed actually blew my accounts, and I have no one to blame but myself. I've actually cooked myself here. I'm still in this stupid trade. I should have just taken my break even and called it a day. Should take my break even and been here to fight another day. But no, I wanted to try catch the banger trades. At this point, if I keep doing this nonsense, I'll never be profitable. Part of it has to do with the fact that I'm getting the biases correct, but my entries are not playing out. And I need to start being okay with that, rather than cooking myself. If we invest this, then it's over. Okay. At the same time, anything could happen. Could push lower, sweep, and then continue to the upside. Anything could actually happen. NAS, hourly. Are we going to start pushing up higher? We're going to start making our way to this hourly fair value gap. Low key full left, going to make our way to that hourly fair value gap. And I will be cooked. Full hour. I'm cooked. I'm actually so cooked. I can't be more cooked. And I have no choice but to sit in this trade. I could close now, but oh my days. I'm cooked, man. It is what it is. Broke my rules, pay for it. That's what happens when you break your rules at the end of the day. have no one to blame but yourself. Even if we win this trade, I'm not going to be happy about the win. I mean, I would be, but the way we got the win, I'm not happy with it. I'm cooked. It's over. It's over for me. If we invest this, I'm closing. I still have a chance to enter another day on less risk. Oh, my days, you can still push higher, that's the thing. I am cooked. It's over for me. Anything on the 1 minute for me? Okay, we can break structure to the upside over here. Come on. Break structure to the upside right here. If this 2 minute candle does not close above here, then I'm cooked. That's seriously cooked. Are you being serious? We're just sweeping. I'm finished. The account's gone. Khalas. Khalas, the account's gone. Khalas. Who did I feel like today? We have this fair value gap over here. Khalas. It's over for me. I want to see how this 2 minute closes. Come on. If it closes above here, I'm out. I'm in. If not, I'm out. If it closes bullish, like strong bullish, I pass this 50% up here, I'm still in. If not, I'm out. 10 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, that's low-key good enough for me. 1 minute. Currently in the depths of drawdown. Yes, man, go up and take these highs. The account's gone. No one but to blame but myself. So much fun. We are respecting this 30-second. I know it's a reach. It's a big reach. This on the 2 minutes. 3 minutes. 1 minute. I'm honestly cooked, so cooked. I just want price to hit TP1. At least TP1. I'm cooked. What's this over here? Oh, the 1.3. $18 seconds. Come on, close bullish. Close above these. Yes, it's pushing. Why can't you? Huh? Why can't you? It's indecisive. Come on. It's gonna rip to one side. It can either be good or bad. Oh my days. This is not good for my heart. did have a chance yesterday. Not to trade tomorrow, but at this rate, I don't think I will have a chance. I should have closed once we came back out of drawdown. But no, I wanted to stick to the trade. Yeah, I'm cooked. Let's just say it's a sweep. Come on, sweep and push up. Sweep and push up. Come on, sweep and push up. I'll just sweep. Come on, sweep and push up. Don't do this to me. Oh my days, I've messed myself up. I've cooked myself. Let's even get rid of that, man. There's no point. Once it's come to this low, I'm gone. The account's gone. 27 seconds, come on. Come on. 24 seconds. Come on. Ten seconds. Don't do this to me, gang. Turn back into this 5-minute IFAG. Oh, it's actually over for me. I have no one to blame but this guy. I have no one to blame but myself. That's I got my live account and guess what I done? Blew it straight away. Couldn't even hold on to it. Don't be baiting me. You know you want to go low and take out this low. I just close and have a chance to get out of drawdown. There's no way. I should have just taken my trade. I blew the account. I blown the account. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. I've actually blown the accounts. Oh my days, and guess what it's going to do? It's going to rip straight back out to my take profits. I cooked myself. Oh my days, I should have taken my fucking break even and called it a day. I'm gonna get my trade day recap and trade day done. I'll get back to you guys.